Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to track MoneyGram transfer with reference number. First of all, you have to visit the MoneyGram website, then look for the track a transfer option on the home page. Like, you will find a transfer option. Tap onto this. Here, track a transfer. You have to tap onto this option. Enter the 8-digit reference number provided on your receipt. Enter either the sender last name or the recent last name for verification. After entering the information, click track. You will see the current status of your transfer, whatever it is in process, ready for pickup and or completed. So this is how you can do it, and tap on track. So your job will be done. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.